Hello, welcome to SAM. SAM is a simple-to-use web-based application for the management of corrosion via coating condition surveys and painting campaigns. Our impressive software can also manage new build projects, providing full cradle-to-grave traceability. SAM came from working with many companies who manage their corrosion protection using subcontractors and spreadsheet systems. Recording of any maintenance campaigns was poor, often documented by the creation of hard copy reports which proved almost impossible to track and monitor. SAM is an online, database-driven application. SAM removes the duplication of many tasks and creates a single point of access to monitor corrosion and manage the execution of coating systems, passive fire protection, and installing all types of insulation. There are numerous benefits in using SAM, and we've highlighted a few here. SAM is designed to be managed by you or your designated company, while your subcontractor uses the system to update your data. It has easy user accessibility, so your information is available anywhere that has a suitable internet connection. You'll benefit from having complete control for maintenance and scheduling of work, whilst also having optimum control of budget by ensuring funds are correctly allocated where required. It also has a simple user-friendly interface via PC or tablet. Let's go through the process step by step. First, your surveyors carry out a detailed survey, and we can even look at importing your existing data. Then, you determine your intervention level using the European RE or the ISO RI scales. Records are filtered by this intervention level and a detailed scope of work is generated. This scope is approved and issued to your contractor for review and bidding. Once awarded, your contractor uses the data within SAM to carry out live inspection of work by completing simple forms. These then create clear, dynamic and concise reports. Once completed, the condition of the item is updated to reflect the new RE or RI value, and finally the record is added to your predetermined inspection timetable. We have several ways to designate zones in SAM. In this example, we are using plot plan drawings which have been divided and then further subdivided into clickable areas that filter records to the relevant surveyed items. Simple. Where drawings aren't available, we can use a clickable table process to filter records by load, batch number, or even part numbers. You have total flexibility in the management of your campaign. This is a snapshot of the record table, a summary of all the record forms. It has zone identification, its own unique ID, a description, what type of record, its RE or RI value, in this case it's a new build project, the coating system required, treatment surface areas, and any other comments. Selecting a record from the previous screen opens up the record form. This is all the information added during the survey. It can be amended, duplicated, printed, and deleted at any time with full per-user histories. Any changes are recorded within the system for full traceability. As you can see, everything's laid out in a logical, easy-to-follow order. Photos and marked-up drawings can be added here to assist with identification later along the line with a full dialog surface area calculation form. As each record is updated, the last treatment date is automatically input here, again ensuring full historical treatment data. This is the survey dashboard. These are automatically generated by SAM from the records from the previous screens. SAM automatically generates dashboards for fast overviews of all the data collected during the survey. It shows you data breakdowns, view your scope in detail and get the best picture of your critical path. It enables you to focus your priorities and set your own critical repair threshold for surveyed items. It can even help you with your manning levels. Clarity on the required access methods and the amount of work for each type can help you assemble the most effective team balance. Inspectors set up and use these forms to populate coating inspection reports. They simplify data entry. Once saved, they are immediately available to view online. Full collaboration, live. Each stage can be further verified by both the contractor to confirm completion and more importantly by your inspector to confirm that it's up to the required standard. SAM also generates correctly formatted inspection reports every time. There are many other powerful forms within SAM. Selectable reports generate comprehensive reports based on user selections such as asset, zone, structure type, RE values, all allowing you to get better to grips with your data. The material requirements form. Based off your norms and other project costs, SAM can accurately estimate how much material you will require for every project, zone, or even a single item. SAM can even be used to estimate costs for projects, including man-hours, materials, and other overhead costs. The SAM app is now available on the Google Play Store. Connecting directly to the web, this app is used to simplify surveys and speed up data entry during the inspection process. Using the EX-rated tablet means there is no requirement for a hot work permit. Once data is entered, it can be emailed to the respective technical authority for immediate action or decision. The tablet also removes duplication of work. Once the tablet is in the vicinity of an active internet connection, the two are synced and the tablet and the web app are one. In the constant drive for efficiency, the app now interfaces directly to Elcometer gauges that are Bluetooth enabled. With just a few taps of the screen, all the saved readings from the gauge can be instantly transferred to the app and synced with no need for manual data entry. Just choose which zone the readings are from, and the app does the rest. Maintaining continuous improvement. Our software management committee is now headed by a senior corrosion technologist, protecting yours and your customers' sensitive data with the very best encryption standards available, 256-bit encryption. Additional programming. Our testing and support teams are already in place, but with user feedback and developments in the industry will always be reflected in progressive updates. 24/7 server uptime. 100% is a high goal, but with high availability servers implemented, it can be achieved. With future opportunities in 2020, iOS application and integrations, so integrations with other industry-leading tools like Defelsko and their Bluetooth modules is also possible. We'd like to improve progress reporting, real-time reporting on the job progression and holdups, live line requirements and incorporation of black trades work such as dropped object surveys. Soon we'll be able to import your Primavera plan directly into SAM and link zones or records to your work orders. Tracking with RFID and QR codes, progress reporting including S-curves, and a progress tracker is currently in trial mode along with timesheet and man-hour reporting. Security, support and backup. Hosting is a dedicated solution via a fully scalable cloud-based virtual machine. The server will remain online even in the event of a hardware failure. Backups happen frequently to a private off-site redundant secondary server. All of our training is in-house with a comprehensive training package. All the data is transferred between the servers and yourself via 256-bit encryption. Our in-house team of 4 developers are always ready to provide 24/7 technical support and updates. Your downloads are always available on the dedicated server. At the end of service, your data is your own, delivered to you at any time via Excel or a full MySQL database ready for integration to any other supported database package. Contact us today over at consultsurface.com.